What is up, YouTube? Dozer here with another assembly and review video. Jetson OTTO e-bike. Let's break this down. I do recommend having another person with you to get the parts out of the box and help with the assembly. The multi-tool comes in handy to attach the handlebar, remove the 4 screws and the handlebar clamp with a 4mm Allen key. Loosen the 2 screws and turn the stem to have the clamp base facing the front of the bike. Then tighten the screws once in position. Place the handlebar into the clamp base and position the clamp cover. Tighten the 4 screws with the 4mm Allen key. Assure that the position is to your liking. Attach the front wheel. Make sure that the brake disc enters the brake caliper properly. Check both sides. Twist the knob on the quick release skewer to remove it, along with the spring next to it. Slide the skewer into the front axle. Place the spring and tighten the knob. Close the latch on the quick release skewer. Check that the wheel is secure and spins freely. The fender and front light attachment was the difficult part for me. Remove the screw. Place the light bracket first, then the short front fender into position. Insert the screw and hold while you position the long fender. Twist the bolt on the screw and use the 6mm Allen key to tighten the front while holding a 10mm wrench on the back. Connect the light, and if the short and long fenders rub against the front tire, lift them up by slightly bending the plastic. Install the pedal into the crank arm and tighten with a 15mm wrench. Do the same with the other side. Inflate both tires to 20 psi as recommended on the manual and sticker on the wheel. The bike has a removable battery that locks. This is the assembled product, equipped with front and back lights, along with an LCD screen to display battery level and riding stats, such as miles and speed. There are left and right turn signals in the back and 5 electric speeds with 7 mechanical gears. Taking the bike for a ride, the handling was sturdy, the acceleration and ride quality was awesome. The bike adapted to different terrains easily. The 20x4-inch fat tires gripped the road, and the front and rear suspension provided a smooth ride. I hope this review was helpful. Stay dozy, y'all. Peace out.